Good evening, folks. Yes, evening. This is not Sunday morning. This is Saturday night. Only because there was no show tonight, I thought I'd make a special treat for Christmas. Well, a little late after Christmas. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification bell to let you know anytime I ever decide to upload a new video. And I'll put links up above to all my previous videos. So tonight we're going to make an accident that turned out to be oh so delicious. It's called Fudged It, and it's an easy recipe. It's a 3-banger. You can't lose. So I'm going to screen share it for you, and you can see what it is. Okay, and here we go. Maybe. Okay, so this is Fudged It, and I'm making 30 ml at 6 milligram nicotine. And so the first ingredient we have is Cupcake World Clotted Cream Fudge. And if you haven't tried this flavor, you need it. And I'm putting it in at 5%. And then flavor art, and let me back up a bit. The clotted cream fudge actually is quite thick. It gives a really great mouthfeel. I'm putting in Flavor Art Glory, which gives the fudge a nutty taste, and it works so perfect. And you only need a little dab will do you at 0.25%. And of course, you can't have peanut butter without a peanut butter cookie by Perilium. And this peanut butter is spot on. I used it at 3% in the mix. And what more can I say? Let's get rolling with this. Maybe if I could stop screen sharing wherever my screen share went. And it's gone. I lost my screen share. It's here somewhere. Okay, let's bro. I'm in trouble here. It's way the hell up there. Oops, my bad. Okay, so, and I am putting nicotine in this, so a safety girl. And my nicotine is 100 milligrams, and I don't feel like getting sick. Been feeling rather sick lately, so no more sick. Okay, so anyway, I will do this, and you need to go down to see this. So let's go. I will take you down. There we go, and hopefully you can see everything. Okay, so PG, we are going to add, wait, sorry, oops, my bad, damn. I've been out of this game so long, I almost forget how to mix. Okay, 6 milligrams, so I need 2.27 of, and I'm using Nick salts, 2.27, and hopefully I have enough. I should, but, and like I tell everybody, I always like to put my Nick in first, because if you over pour, you can take it back out. If you put it in last and you mess up, it's a whole new ball of wax. Okay, PG, I want 6.76. Come on, you can do it. Oh, you're just gonna make him. As soon as I give him that one drop, he's gonna double. Oops, that was 2 drops. Okay. That was my bad. Okay, now, first one up is Cupcake World, Clotted Cream Fudge. And let me say, this stuff is really good. Just don't finger test it, please. Okay, this was going in the mix at 5%, so it's going in here at 1.5. And probably going to go in here really fast. So better be careful. And there we go. Okay. And the next one up is Glory by Flavor Art. And this one's going in the mix at 0.25. And so that will be 0.07. Should be like, well, 3 drops. Should be. Oh, what can I say? I'm just that good. No, not really. That was lucky. Okay, last but not least is the Perillium peanut butter cookie. And it's going in the mix at 3%. So that means I'm going to drip 0.90. How lucky is that? I'm just getting too good for myself. Okay, now, okay, we're done that. So we'll check on the temperature of my VG because I am going to GC this just because I can. And I would let this sit for at least, I would let it sit 7 days at least. If you can let it sit for 2 weeks, it's only going to keep getting better. Because let me tell you, this stuff was freaky good. Okay, we're good. Yeah. So, and we want the Yao, the VG, at 24.21. Okay. How much be on? I should go buy a lottery ticket tonight. Ooh. Getting all the right numbers. Okay. And on. I think it's time for a new. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm going to mute the sound for a second because this is going to get fairly loud. So I will mute it. And there we go. We just let it drip for a little bit. We'll get our bottle out here. And we'll make up one of my really uber fancy labels. Maybe. Okay, what did I do with my uber fancy labels? Okay, I don't have one. Somewhere I had one. I'm losing my mind. And I'm losing stuff all over the place. I could print one, but I'll put a sticky on it. Just so I remember. Okay. And then I'll have to find a label after. This is Fudged It. Okay. Okay, that's good. Now just use a cleaning solution of vinegar and alcohol, only because I use this for other things, like for One shot. So, okay, we shall pour this in. And there you have it. Oh, fudged it. And like I said, oh, and I'm making messes again. I'm just a walking disaster here, I'll tell you. Okay. Whew, it smells so good. And we will put the top on, maybe. There we go. There we go. And I shall bring you back up. Maybe. Maybe if my camera cooperates, it never likes to cooperate. Okay, as long as it stays straight. Oh, not quite. We're not quite there. Come on, camera. Oh, there we go. There we go. We're back. Pardon me. Anyway, I hope you like this recipe. It's really easy and it's tasty if you like peanut butter, and it's nice and thick, tastes just like fudge. So if you do try it, leave me comments in the comment section, whether you did, whether you like it, whether you didn't. And like I said, please don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.